Hello guys, this is Abhay and I'm going to show you my first homemade turboprop engine, which is my first experience. So here we go. Hello guys, this is Abhay. As you know, so this is my all components of turboprop engine. So this is we built it, we welded and something all we did. This is our compressor section. This is our combustion chamber. And as we know, after this combustion chamber is what? Turbine section. So we'll come to the point. Compressor. So this is our compression, this is our shaft, and this is our reduction gear. So reduction gear is very important for turboprop engine because it's drive the propeller. So this is our section. Which section is turbine section? Okay, this hot gas will exist from here. It will goes from here and will exit from here. So this is our rotor, which is fitted here, turbine section. This is not completed right now. Only we have to assemble. So you can see in next video. Just watch it. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you.